Hey Wildcats, Miss Fuchs here. Today we're talking about workspaces. Your workspace is whatever spot you have at home that you can settle in and focus on your schoolwork. For some of you, that might be a desk in your own room. For others, it could be a corner of the kitchen table that you put away when it's mealtime. Whatever it is, we're going to talk about some of the essentials and some of the optionals that can make your school time maybe a little more fun and certainly help you focus in on your classes. So this is my workspace. I have this temporary little table set up in a common room at home. And when I'm not working on school stuff, I put it all away in a backpack so that I can easily get to it, but also so it's out of the way when I'm not using it. Always, always, you'll need your Chromebook or computer or whatever device you're using to get your schoolwork done. Have it near an outlet so that you don't have any battery issues. And I also like to keep handy paper and something to write with. It's a great way to plan out your day, or if you have a brilliant idea, a question for a teacher, and of course, students should also use paper to show their work and take a picture for some of your classes, math especially. I have some optional things that I keep around too. One of them is headphones or earbuds. I keep those when my family is being distracting. It helps me just focus in on what I'm doing even more. And then I've got some reminders of what's going on here. LPMS, got some LPMS art and postcard and a Westie. Maybe you have some personal touches such as pictures of friends or your pet, or maybe you have art that you've been making for art class that you can hang up in your workspace too. We know that some of us have to make some pretty big adjustments if you have siblings that are going to be at home more, and so this can be a good time to think about how you want to set up your workspace and how maybe you might help siblings or the rest of your family adjust to one another, and everyone can have a space that works for them. We would love to see a picture of where you're working, so as you add those personal touches, please snap a photo and send it to lpms.photos@gmail.com. Whichever way you're working, we hope you have a great day, and remember that we care about you so much.